In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change credit card on Shein. Make sure you have your new card nearby so you can enter the details without stopping midway. If you have the Shein app on your phone already installed, look for the familiar white logo with the word Shein on a dark background. Go ahead and open the Shein app now and wait for the home screen to fully load with banners, product images, and the search bar near the top. Once everything finishes loading, you are ready to move to your account area. Now look down at the very bottom of the screen. You will see several icons in a row, like Home and maybe Categories. In the bottom right corner, find the Me profile icon. It usually shows a little person symbol and may say Me under it. Tap the Me profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the interface. The screen should switch to your account page, where you can see your name or email, your orders, and other account options. From there, we need to get into your account settings. At the top right corner of this Me page, look for a small gear icon, which stands for Settings. It is usually near any message or notification icons, but slightly separate. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. When you tap it, the screen will change to a simple list-style layout, showing different account and app options such as address, notifications, and payment-related items. On this Settings menu, we will go directly to the place that controls your saved cards. Scroll only if you need to, and then select My Payment Options from the Settings menu. When you tap it, you will see a list of any cards you have previously saved on your Shein account. Each card is usually shown with the last 4 digits and the card brand, so you can tell them apart. Next up, find the card you want to replace in that list. To remove it, tap the trash bin icon right next to the card you want to replace, and then tap Confirm to delete it. After you confirm, the old card disappears from the list, so you know it is no longer saved for future orders. Beginners sometimes worry here, but deleting the card does not cancel any past orders. It only removes the saved payment method. With the old card gone, you can now add your new one. On this same My Payment Options screen, tap Add Credit or Debit Card or the plus button, depending on what your app version shows. A new screen will appear with empty fields ready for your card details. You might also see your region or currency at the top, which is normal. Now carefully type in your new card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. The CVV is the 3-digit or 4-digit code printed on your card, used to verify that you actually have the card in your hand. Take a moment to double-check the digits before moving on, since a single wrong number will cause future payments to fail. After entering those details, tap Confirm to lock the new card into your account layout for future fast checkouts. Once you tap Confirm, the screen will return to the list of payment options, and you should now see your new card listed with its last 4 digits. On Shein, saved payment changes apply right away, so you can use the new card on your very next order without doing anything else. You have now removed your old card and added a new credit card to your Shein account for smoother checkouts. So if that helped, a quick thumbs up really helps others find this, and feel free to subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.